Welcome, traders. I'm glad you're here. If you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button because what I'm about to share could completely change how you approach trading. In this video, we're breaking down two powerful essentials. First, why I chose Forex as my go-to market over stocks, crypto, options, or anything else. Second, we'll explore the charting tool I've used to generate over $10 million in trades. And no, it's not complicated. It's called TradingView, and I'll show you exactly how to use it like a pro. If you're serious about mastering Forex and want to cut through the noise, this video will save you months of confusion and wasted efforts. Why I trade Forex. So why do I trade Forex? Let's break it down. 24/5 market access. Unlike the stock market that shuts down after a few hours, the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Whether you're in school, working in 9 to 5, or taking care of family, there's always a window of time when you can trade. Low entry barriers. You can open a Forex account with as little as $10. Compare that to stock trading, where U.S. brokers often require $25,000 just to start day trading. With Forex, anyone can get started. It's accessible, flexible, and beginner-friendly. Unmatched reliability. Currencies are the backbone of global economies. Companies can fail, cryptos can vanish, but currencies like the dollar, euro, or pound, they're not going anywhere. They're tied to nations, not startups. Demo trading. Forex platforms allow you to trade in real time with virtual money. Whether it's $5,000 or $100,000, you get to practice, fail, adjust, and grow, all in a safe environment. That kind of hands-on learning is absolutely priceless. Mastering TradingView. Now let's talk about TradingView. TradingView is not where you place trades, it's where you analyze them. You'll use this platform to look at charts, mark up price zones, spot entry points, and confirm your strategy. Think of it like the cockpit of your trading setup. All your decisions start here. You'll spend about 90% of your trading time inside TradingView. It's where you develop your edge, do your homework, and stay ahead of the market. When you first open TradingView, it looks complex. Dozens of icons and tools. But here's the truth. Out of hundreds of tools available, you'll only use 7 to 8 consistently. That's it. Let's go through them. Essential tools to favorite. From the line section, you only need trend line, horizontal ray. From the pattern section, just head and shoulders. From the projection tools, long position, short position. From the brush section, brush, rectangle, path, ellipse. From notes, text, callout. These are the tools you should star and add to your favorites. Everything else, ignore it. You don't need Fibonacci tools, pitchforks, or Elliott waves. They clutter your chart and confuse your mind. Let me save you months of frustration by telling you what not to use. Tools to ignore. Ignore everything in the GAN, Fib, and channel sections. Forget the Pine script editor, strategy tester, and stock screener at the bottom of the screen. These tools are great for coders, stock traders, or quants, not for building a clean, profitable Forex setup. Also, ignore the emoji section. Yes, it's there, but no, you don't need smiley faces on your trading charts. TradingView is powerful, but over-customizing is a trap. The cleaner your chart, the clearer your decisions. Timeframes and chart types. Next, let's talk about timeframes. You'll only use these 7. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly. Star each one so they appear on your top bar. These time frames give you everything you need, from short-term moves to long-term trends. Anything else is noise. For chart types, stick to just 2. Candlestick and line. Candlesticks are your main tool. They show price movement, momentum, and reversal patterns with precision. Line charts are helpful for simplicity, kind of like switching to thermal vision. Same price, different view. But 99.9% of the time, use candlesticks. Additional essential tools. There are 3 more tools I use all the time. Alerts. Set alerts when price hits your key levels so you don't have to stare at charts all day. Replay mode. This lets you rewind the market to test your setups like a time machine. It's one of the most powerful tools for building skill without risk. And measurement tool. It helps you see how far price moved, how long a trade took, or measure your risk to reward ratio. Now you know why I chose Forex and how I use TradingView to analyze the markets. Clean, simple, effective. Everything you just heard is from real experience. If you're just starting out, don't overcomplicate this. Keep your chart clean. Use only what's essential and focus on learning the skill, not just chasing results. In the next video, I'll show you how to place your first real trade, manage risk, and actually grow your account from scratch. If you found value in this, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comments. I read and reply to everyone.